Our brand was Ravensburger, which is a puzzle company out of Germany.
Students from the School of Design and second-year engineering drafting and design programs collaborated on the annual chair project. Breaking into groups, each chose a brand to base their design on.
Question mark right now. How to make this.
Sketches and several scale models were created to refine the design before building a full-size prototype. Upon completion, students presented their pieces to their instructors and peers, answering questions about the process, budget, and cost to manufacture. All key, real-world lessons.
It's pretty stable. And you can get those wiggles moving back and forth.
I commend all of you for getting chairs that we can all sit in here today.